Did you have a fun time?
I'd like to come one more time at least.
Yes, I hope you can.
I'm going to come as long as I can.
That's glad. You're always welcome.
Now you want to slice it all the way to the bottom. You might sometimes even move that. Get as much stem as you can. Let's just slice it straight across like that. All right, you're a pro.
We'll put this in.
Now let's hold it up. Let me get a picture of you.
First.
All right, I want everybody to say party favors.
Party favors.
This doesn't happen every time, and this exceeds any foray I've ever had as far as amount of morels. So, what an incredible amount! Look at them big bags you're bringing home there.
We had a blast.
Had a blast.
Great time.
Do it. Just do it. It's a good time.
All right, keep in touch, guys. Thanks a lot.
All right.
All right, guys. Here's the grand finale.
Okay.
We got elk. We got brats. We got Morel Alfredo. Lots of morels in the Morel Alfredo. Come enjoy. This is a
Awesome hunt. Never seen nothing like it.
I haven't either.
Unreal.
Best one in my history of forays.
First time, and we struck a gold.
I ruined you. So either you brought the luck, or
I must have brought the luck.
Best soup I've ever had in my life. It's amazing.
Well, you guys picked them, so I put them in. We got
It's
a lot of
incredible.
mushrooms
You're an incredible cook.
in there. A lot of stuff in there. Glad you enjoy it.